Welcome to EveryPhotoPro, the OMD 10 Mark IV. Congratulations, your interest in this camera is probably because it is at a perfect price point and you want to know if it's going to be worth the money that you're going to be putting into it. Or you saw features about it that basically kind of tick all the check boxes, right? And the price point is pretty good and you want to buy it. But there's something that's putting you on the fence. Is it because it's an OM system camera? Is it because of the crop? Is it because of this? Is it because of that? And I know that you've seen a lot of the other review videos out there because I'm late in the game when it comes to this. So I'm going to go ahead and give you a little bit of a different way of looking at it. I bought this camera on a whim. That's right. I did not do any reviews or checks or anything other than the fact that a really good friend of mine said, you know what, I have this, I'm going to sell it to you for this price, buy it. Yeah, pretty brilliant, huh? That makes you a little bit smarter than me. But I'm not going to let you take that one in the back, okay? No, I trusted him. First of all, he was a big Sony head, and the truth is that the reason why he even had the OM, the reason why he particularly had this camera was that he needed a good camera and a good body with a really good lens, so the Lumix 1442 that's in here, that was incognito in comparison to his big body cameras. So that enabled him to basically take this and go into places and then get his shots and then basically come back out. Because, you know, sometimes we photographers do some things. We do some things. In the end, he got what he wanted. And then he sold me this because he didn't need it anymore. But he was also wanting me to get into the mirrorless world so that way I could understand what it was, the difference. What is a mirrorless camera? And it is just a computer that has the ability of capturing light better. Okay? That it is a computer that captures light. DSLRs also are the same things, but they still have that mirror in there. So you have that objective part that still has to involve your eyeball. Well, everything now is done within the machine. And OM over-engineered their setup here on purpose. They put a lot of everything that is the OM5, the OM3, the OM1 into this camera body, so that way you would be interested eventually in buying their bigger boys. And you need to know, this body, this one right here, is the reason why even EveryPhotoPro exists as a channel, has reignited my love for photography. I've been at it for 25 years, been doing landscape shots, and I have never been disappointed. But the truth is that with this camera body and all the features that come with it, considering all the things that it can do with auto, with seeing, with art, with pro features that come into play where you just select and then push the button, I have never been disappointed at all at using this system. And for its value return after a $400 buy, I have yet to put it down. If you actually look at some of my other videos, you actually see it. I have it right here on my vest as my secondary backup, because even though I absolutely adore my OM1, you have to set everything to this machine because it's a pro machine. There is no auto in here, okay? This one, you put it into one of the scene features that you want it for a bit, and everything is done within the body of the camera. Everything is done within the body of the camera. I don't have to put it on, you know, my DxO program. I can literally just print it out if I wanted to from here because it puts it out in the JPEG just like that. It makes things convenient. Of course, we always want a little bit more control. But I have to say that for someone who is an amateur or just getting started from switching from using this to something like this is a really good investment for you. And the best part is you're not going to stop using it when you decide to go up into something like this, because the convenience, the easy button that is in here makes it convenient overall. Buy it for whatever the price point is. Get what you want from this machine. EveryPhotoPro, leave a comment, subscribe, please like this video, please. And if you have any questions, throw it into the comments.